Hi, so today I want to make a video in support of your breath and moving the energy through the intercostal spaces, those spaces in between your ribs. When we've been sitting a long time, that can get very compressed, so we want to open that up a little bit more and give yourself more energy. So let's begin by bringing one hand to each elbow. Take a breath in through the nose and slowly lift your hands right up to your forehead, or if you can, all the way above your head. And then exhale and come back down. Let your tongue rest on the upper palate and breathe only with the nose. And then switch one hand. The one that was on the outside, bring it to the inside. And we'll do it again. Inhale. And exhale. Let's switch the other hand around and then inhale. Get a sense of stretching those ribs. And exhale. Nice stretch of the body. And once again, switch the other hand. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do it again on this side. Switch the hands and breathe in. Nice big stretch and then exhale. Let's do it a couple more times. And we're going to expand the breath a little bit more. So switch the hand first and then we'll breathe in. And just see if there's a little bit more breath you can add here to help that stretch, and then exhale through the nose. Slowly let the hands drop down. Exhale a little bit more. Switch the opposite hand and then breathe in. See if you can breathe in just a little bit more. And then exhale. Good. You don't have to do that very long, and you really get a nice stretch in the torso. It helps you feel more revived because you've been taking some deep breaths. So feel free to do that anytime during the day when you need a little extra chi. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.